Good manufacturing practices (GMP) in the pharmaceutical industry are a set of guidelines and regulations that ensure the consistent production of safe, effective, and high-quality pharmaceutical products. These practices cover various aspects of manufacturing, including personnel, facilities, equipment, documentation, processes, and quality control. The significance of implementing GMP in the pharmaceutical industry is to 1. Ensure product quality and safety. GMP guidelines ensure that pharmaceutical products are consistently manufactured to meet the required quality standards. This helps in minimizing the risks associated with product contamination, adulteration, or errors, thereby ensuring the safety of patients. 2. Comply with regulatory requirements. GMP guidelines are often mandated by regulatory authorities such as the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in the United States and the European Medicines Agency (EMA) in the European Union. Compliance with these guidelines is necessary to obtain regulatory approvals and licenses for manufacturing and marketing pharmaceutical products. 3. Minimize product variability. GMP emphasizes the use of standardized manufacturing processes and quality control procedures, reducing the variability in product quality and ensuring consistency in performance and efficacy. 4. Enhance product traceability. GMP requires proper documentation and record keeping throughout the manufacturing process. This enables traceability of each batch or lot of a pharmaceutical product, making it possible to investigate and address any quality issues or recalls effectively. 5. Improve overall operational efficiency. Adhering to GMP principles can lead to improved operational efficiency in pharmaceutical manufacturing. By implementing standardized procedures, optimizing resource utilization, and minimizing errors, companies can enhance productivity and reduce manufacturing costs. The implementation process or methodology of GMP in pharmaceutical industries typically involves the following steps. 1. Establishing a quality management system. This involves defining the organizational structure, responsibilities, and procedures required to ensure compliance with GMP guidelines. 2. Facility and equipment design. The design and layout of manufacturing facilities should adhere to GMP requirements, including appropriate segregation of production areas, control of environmental conditions, and maintenance of equipment. 3. Personnel training and qualification. Adequate training programs should be developed and implemented to ensure that personnel involved in manufacturing processes are knowledgeable and competent in their respective roles. 4. Document control. Comprehensive documentation systems should be established to control and manage procedures, specifications, batch records, and other relevant documents. These documents should be regularly reviewed, revised, and approved. 5. Process validation. Manufacturing processes should be validated to ensure that they consistently produce pharmaceutical products meeting the required quality standards. This involves conducting studies and tests to demonstrate process robustness, control, and reproducibility. 6. Quality control and testing. Robust quality control measures should be implemented to verify the identity, purity, potency, and safety of raw materials, intermediates, and finished products. Testing methods should be validated, and appropriate sampling plans should be established. 7. Complaint handling and product recall procedures. Procedures should be in place to handle customer complaints, investigate quality issues, and initiate product recalls if necessary. These processes should be documented and regularly reviewed. 8. Regular audits and inspections. Internal and external audits should be conducted periodically to assess compliance with GMP guidelines. Regulatory authorities may also conduct inspections to ensure compliance with applicable regulations. It's important to note that GMP requirements may vary slightly between countries and regulatory agencies. Pharmaceutical companies should stay updated with the latest guidelines and regulations applicable to their specific regions to ensure compliance.